depravity and perversion of the most sickening kind, viewers. The story emerging from Mahakumbh will leave you seething with rage. The UP police have launched a massive crackdown against multiple social media accounts after the UP social media monitoring team detected multiple online accounts selling bathing and changing videos of women pilgrims online. Just imagine the mindset of those who are behind this sickening crime. These people have secretly and in a perverted manner filmed Hindu women in their moment of devotion at the Triveni Sangam, and then they put it up online for as much as 3,000 rupees. As of now, the police have filed 3 FIRs against 17 social media accounts. They have also identified 100+ accounts that have indulged in this unforgivable crime. Top police officials have confirmed that they will soon arrest those who are buying and selling these videos of women bathing at the Mahakumbh. Listen in to what the UP DGP Prashant Kumar has to say about the investigation.
उस पे लगातार हमारी निगरानी है। हम लोगों ने कुछ FIR भी दर्ज किए हैं और हम लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं, कार्रवाई भी कर रहे हैं।
सर, अब तक कितनी FIR
नहीं, हम लोगों ने जो इस तरह के हैं उसमें 3 FIR की हैं और कुल मिला के भ्रामक समाचार फैलाने के संबंध में लगभग 50 से अधिक FIR दर्ज है।
Let's go across to my colleague Adeep joining us on the broadcast with the details. Adeep, this is extremely sickening, and the depravity that has been witnessed. How did the police officials find out? What is the action that is expected, and have any accused been identified?
Well, Pratibha, definitely it's a disgusting act that these people are doing. Around 17 social media accounts so far have been identified by the social media cell of Uttar Pradesh Police, in which they have launched the FIR against these social media accounts. The police says that these accounts, they were the people they were recording the video first. There are some people who are recording the videos of the women when they are taking the holy dip at Sangam, and then there are some other people who are selling it online, posting it on different social media accounts. Now the police says that they have launched the FIR, and they have also launched a massive investigation in this. All the social media units of the Uttar Pradesh Police have been involved in this. They are closely monitoring all the updates that people are posting on social media platforms, on different kind of social media platform regarding the Mahakumbh. The Uttar Pradesh Police is closely monitoring each and every account on social media, and they are saying that soon they are going to arrest the accused in this case also. Meanwhile, the ruling party BJP and the Samajwadi Party both says that strict action should be taken in this case. Whoever is responsible for such kind of act, they should be punished, and the police should do a fair investigation, and this should soon arrest all these accused.
Okay, all right, stay with us. How did the authorities unearth this crime? The UP social media monitoring team detected that certain platforms were uploading videos of women bathing and changing clothes at the Mahakumbh. The investigation revealed how some social media platforms, some groups, were formed to then carry out such illegal activities. In fact, now FIRs have been filed, and those who were involved in this crime will face serious action under the IT Act. Top officials have also said that Telegram and Instagram profiles have been identified. They're also being monitored. Listen in to the political reactions coming in.
निश्चित रूप से ये घृणित कार्य है। जिन लोगों ने भी किया है, जिन भी अकाउंट से ये किया गया है, उनके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, और पुलिस लगातार इस मामले में जांच कर रही है। पुलिस ने मामला भी दर्ज किया है, और इन जो लोग भी इस तरह की घटना में शामिल हैं, उनके खिलाफ कठोर से कठोर कार्रवाई की जाए।
This time the Kumbh is the most scandalous Kumbh. It is a huge pilgrimage occasion for Hindus, but Yogi and Modi has made it the scandalous Mahakumbh. In every aspect. Now we are at the end of Mahakumbh. We are reaching the culmination period of Mahakumbh. Now it is dawned on them that kuch karna padega. We have to pull up our socks. What was the planning in advance?
So Adeep continues to stay live with us. Adeep, so this is extremely concerning. Are any actions also being taken by the administration, apart from identifying these social media accounts, finding out their modus operandi, or are they also taking any steps at the Mahakumbh to ensure that such incidents don't repeat?
Well, see, to prevent these kind of incidents, the police, they have deployed the LIU personnel on the Sangam Ghats to ensure that when the women, they are taking the holy dip, no one is recording them. They are trying to monitor. There are several of the CCTV cameras that are covering the Mahakumbh, all over the Mahakumbh, and especially the Sangam Ghat and all the other ghats. So the police is monitoring through these ghats, and they are continuously monitoring these situations. And apart from, if you talk about these actions, apart from this, they have lodged the FIR, and based upon the FIR, they are also investigating. The social media cell has been involved in this. The only task is that to monitor all the handles, all the social media handles that are posting materials about the Mahakumbh being organized in Prayagraj.
Okay, all right. Adeep, thank you for joining us with those details. In fact, we have details coming in from the police officials who have revealed details of how the investigations have taken place, what has happened so far. They said that they're looking into the social media accounts and looking at where it has actually come from. But amid that, there's a lot of politics as well that's playing out, with the Samajwadi Party also reacting to the same and raising some concerns. Listen in.